Bluey woke up feeling restless. The sun peeked through her window. Birds chirped loudly. Could today be special? Bingo ran over. She asked excitedly, "What should we do today?" Bluey grinned. "Let's explore the forest behind our house." Dad called from the porch. "Be careful." Mom appeared with a basket. "Take some snacks too." Bluey nodded eagerly. They stepped into the forest. The trees towered above. Leaves rustled gently. Bluey felt the air sparkle with magic. Could anything happen today? Suddenly, a shimmering light appeared. Bluey gasped. Was it a fairy? Or just sunlight dancing? Bingo reached out. The light darted between branches. Bluey ran after it, her paws barely touching the soft moss. Could she catch it? Dad watched from the edge. He shouted, "Be careful." Mom laughed softly, following slowly, keeping eyes on the girls. Bluey jumped over a tiny stream, splashing water everywhere. She felt exhilarated. Bingo laughed beside her, the sound echoing through the forest. The sparkling light led them to a hidden clearing. Flowers of every color surrounded them. Butterflies danced. Bluey felt like she discovered a secret world. Then, the light formed into a tiny creature. Wings of silver, eyes sparkling. Bluey whispered, "Hello, little friend." The creature chirped softly. It circled Bluey. Could this be a magical guide? Bingo clapped her paws. "This is incredible." Bluey spent the day exploring, climbing rocks, swinging on vines, laughing and rolling in the grass. As the sun began to set, they returned home. The forest glowed golden. Bluey looked back with wonder. What an amazing adventure! Bingo hugged Bluey tightly. "Thank you for taking me along." Bluey smiled joyfully. Her tail swished happily. "And you?" "Yes, you." If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching.